everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline and I create crafting content here on YouTube. I had a viewer request a video showing how to switch out the different punch needle tips into the Boye Adjustable Punch Needle. So today, that's going to be what I'm showing. So this is a punch needle I've used in a few of my previous videos. And again, it's an adjustable punch needle. I'll link it down below if you're curious about it. And basically what it is it has different depths you can set the punch needle to. And then there's also 4 different punch needle sizes that you can put in. So 4 different gauge needles. This one's a 3mm, then there's a 2.2mm, 1.6, and then the 1.26. So when you get this, it comes with a few different pieces. So it comes with a threader, the actual adjustable punch needle, and then this centerpiece right here. So first I'm going to show how to actually switch out the different tips to be different sizes, and then I'm going to show how I thread this punch needle. So first, to add one of the needle sizes into the punch needle, the first thing I do is I take off the spool at the top. Once that's off, I get out this centerpiece. So the centerpiece is the part that you can move up or down in the center. So to take it out, I push down on the blue button and then I push it all the way up to the top. And once it's at the top, you just kind of need to push it down and pull it out all at the same time. So you can see this blue piece moves in and out. So once that's out, down here at the bottom of this piece, pick whatever size you're looking to work with. So let's say I chose the largest size again. And I'm just gonna insert this in and then gently twist it. And when you twist it, the gap between the two is gonna close up. So to show this a little bit more zoomed in, you can see there's kind of like a little bit of threading inside this component. And then there's almost like these 2 little pieces that stick out here. So we're trying to get those 2 little pieces to match up with those threads. So I'm just gonna kind of put one component inside the other and then gently twist it. And now you can see I've closed up that gap. So now that I've inserted that component, the next thing I want to do is I want to take this center piece, and again, with this pointed section going down into the punch needle and aligning the blue section with where the blue section moves up and down, I'm just going to pop this back into place, and now you can see I have the punch needle down here at the bottom. Now if I wanted to switch sizes, again, I'd press down on the blue piece and then shift it all the way up and out. And now to remove this one, I'm going to turn it in the opposite direction to unscrew it. And then I can either, if I'm just putting it away, I might not put one back on there and just put this center component back in. Or if I'm trying to switch sizes, I take whatever size I want to put in and insert that. So that's how you switch out the different the different punch needle points. Now to actually thread this punch needle, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put back in my point, thread this back in, and I like to keep it at one of these middle locations when I'm threading it. Now, I do have a couple different threaders, so I'm not sure this is the one it came with, but this is one of my longer threaders, and for this tool you do need a fairly long threader. So to start threading, I'm gonna basically have the longest part of the point closest towards me, and I'm gonna take my threader, go in to the circle portion, and then turn it so that it's going up my punch needle. So now once that's threaded through, I just want to create an opening in the top of this threader and then just put a little piece of my yarn through there. Now I'm going to pull on the bottom of the threader, and now it's come out the other side of my punch needle and I can just remove it from there. So that is how I change the different punch needle tips on this adjustable punch needle and also how I thread it. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them down below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. That way you stay up to date on all my future videos. I'll see you next time.